Boars, also known as wild pigs, are fascinating creatures that roam wild across various parts of the world. Let's dive into the world of boars, exploring their habits, biology, domestication, and modern-day applications. Boars are members of the Suidae family, which also includes domestic pigs. These animals are characterized by their powerful bodies, thick skin, and 4 tusks, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower. Boars are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and meat. Their diet can include a variety of fruits, roots, insects, and even small animals. In the wild, they are excellent foragers, using their powerful snouts to root and dig up food. Boars are highly adaptable creatures, capable of surviving in a wide range of environments, from dense forests to grasslands. They are also known for their impressive speed, able to run up to 30 miles per hour. Boars live in small groups called sounders, led by a dominant male known as a boar. These social animals communicate through a series of grunts, squeals, and snorts. They are most active during twilight hours, known as crepuscular animals. The domestication of boars began thousands of years ago, with archaeological evidence suggesting that pigs were among the first animals to be domesticated by humans. Domesticated pigs, or modern pigs, have been selectively bred for their meat, known as pork, and for their use in agriculture as scavengers. Pork is a popular source of protein worldwide, with over 1 billion pigs slaughtered each year for consumption. Pork is a nutritious food, providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. In agriculture, pigs play a significant role as scavengers, helping to manage waste and improve soil health. They are also used in the production of various products, including cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and leather. Boars are also used in conservation efforts. In some areas, they are introduced to control invasive species and restore ecosystems. Additionally, boar hunting is a popular sport in many countries, providing a means of population control and contributing to the local economy. Boars are fascinating creatures, with a rich history and diverse applications. From their wild origins to their domestication and modern uses, these animals continue to play an important role in our lives. Whether for food, agriculture, or conservation, the boar's impact on human civilization is undeniable.